Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 4K video quality edit on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video and you're going to go to adjustments, go to the curve section and do the exact same thing that I'm doing. Put the left side up here and put the right side to the bottom like this. And lastly like that. Once you're done, go back to video, go to basic, and let's just go to effects first, and we need the blur, so I'm just going to grab it and just going to add that. Select the video again, go to the blend mode section and select either color burn or linear burn. I'm going with color burn. Select the video underneath, go to adjustments, go to basic, and sharpen it. Go to media, go to library, and go to the background section here, and I'm going to freeze frame it so I can extend the duration. Go to video, go to blend mode, and select overlay, and adjust it. Go back to the original video, go back to adjustments, and you're going to make more adjustments to your video, maybe adjusting the saturation, the brightness, and the contrast. And that's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.